Okay, now let's come to the area ratio. Now, just remember, when you come to area ratio, avoid using vector. They will help to simplify your working. So let's look at D part 1. Okay, from B, you know that QT is 3 bracket B minus A. And from C, you know that QS is equals to 4 bracket B minus A. So in other words, QT over QS is actually equals to 3 over 4. So it's just write 3 over 4. Avoid writing vectors here. Okay, that will make your working much easier. Okay, let's look at question 2. Now, before we move on to question 2, let's write down all the ratio onto the diagram here. You know that QT is 3 times is 3 over 4. The ratio of QT is 3 over 4 of QS. So if QS is 4, QT is 3, your TS is actually 1. Okay? Now we move on to find the area ratio of PQT and PQR. Now you notice that, okay, using same height compare base, there is a common height here for the two triangles. This is the common height. See, by using same height compare base, so your PQT will have a height of QT, and PQS will have a base of QT, and PQS will have a base of QS. So you will QT over QS, which will give you QT is 3 and QS is 4. So answer is 3 over 4. Okay, simple. Now I come to part 3. Okay, to find the ratio of PQT and PQR. Okay, same thing. Same height compare base. There is a common height here. So we compare the base. The base of PQT is PT. The base on PQR is the base of PQR is 3. So this is actually your PR. So PT over PR will give you 1 over 3. Just simply applying ratio. Okay, you don't have to use vector at all. So now we come to the last one here. To find the ratio of PQR and PQS. So notice that there is an overlap here. Okay, how can we simplify this? So first we look at the ratio here. We are looking at the ratio of PQR to the ratio of PQS. So by looking at the diagram, you know that the ratio of triangle PQR actually can be break down into triangle PQT and triangle QRT. Okay, and PQS can break down into triangle PQT and triangle PTS. Okay, so now let's look at the ratio. What is the ratio of PQT to QRT? So you notice from here, you work out the ratio of this is 1:3. Right, so therefore the ratio of this is to this will be 1:2. Okay, or you can also use same height compare base. This height, okay, compare with this triangle, you just compare the base 1:2. Next, you compare the triangle PQT to PTS, PQT to PTS. So the ratio of this is 3 is to 1. So 3 is to 1. Okay, to have a common, okay, if you want to group all the ratio together, so if this is 3 units, this one must be 3 units. So you have to multiply by 3, multiply by 3. So you end up with 3 is to 6 is to 1. Okay, so the answer for the ratio of PQR, so PQR is actually equals to 9, and PQS is equals to 1 plus 3, so it's 4. So the answer is 9 over 4. Okay, area of triangle PQR over area of triangle PQS equals to 9 over 4. Okay.